Now you can see the icons on your computer screen.
Yeah, it's booted back up again.
Okay. So you can see the icons, right?
Yes.
Okay, now just once again you have to press and hold it down the Windows key with the one finger from your keyboard.
Okay.
With the other finger hit the letter R as in Romeo.
Okay.
Now you can see the same box comes up on the screen, right?
Yes.
And now you can move your hand from your keyboard.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to just make it blank and make it blank.
Okay.
Now you have to type with the I as an ice cream, E as an Edward, X as an X-ray, P as in Peter.
I'm sorry, what's that?
P as in puppy, 4 lines.
Okay.
L as in Lenton, O as in Oscar, R as in Romeo, E as in Edward. Leave a single space. www dot S as in Sam, U as in uniform, P as in Peter, R as in Romeo, E as in Edward, M as in mother.
I'm sorry, I got distracted. I've got SUPR.
E. After R, it is E, E as in Edward.
Oh, okay.
M as in mother. O as in Oscar. F as in father. R as in Romeo. E as in Edward. E as in Edward again. .com.
Okay.
So can you please repeat it to me, sir, what you have typed over there?
It says iExplorer space www.supremofree.com.
Yes, www.supremofree.com, right?
Yes.
Yeah, click on OK.
Okay, so it's opened my
You can see
browser.
it.
Okay.
On the middle of the browser, you can see a two rectangular box in download in orange color.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, click on download. Don't click on purchase, okay?
Okay.
Click on download.
All right.
You will
It says
get an option called
run, save, or cancel.
Yes, click on run. After clicking on run, what you can see?
It's downloading something.
Okay.
Okay, it wants me to run it, so I assume that's what you want to do. Okay, so welcome to Supremo.
Okay, now what you can see?
It says
You
welcome
can see
to
the
Supremo.
run.
Yes, okay.
Or accept. Yeah, now you have to click on accept.
Okay, so
You can see the
it
ID
says
and password
logging
there.
on gateway. Okay, it's given me a 9-digit ID.
Yes, tell me the 9-digit ID.
Excuse me, sorry about that. 425 282 938.
938.
Yes.
And the password.
6976.
So who uses the computer more, sir? You use?
Just me.
Nobody uses the computer.
Nope, just me. Well, I mean, I guess you're kind of using my computer now, but
So when you go online, what you do?
oh, I shop. I look up movie information. I guess I don't really do much email anymore. That's mostly on my phone.
Emails? You check emails?
Not really on this computer anymore. On my phone is where I do that.
So you are using the same internet connection to phone and the computers, right?
not exclusively. My phone, I don't necessarily have it on Wi-Fi. I usually have my internet shut off if I'm not using my computer. That's why I'm kind of was surprised that I got hacked last night, because the computer nor my internet was turned on even at all last night. So
Actually, sir, your computer has been hacked. They are using a computer for the last couple of weeks. And we got some information last day. The computer has been downloading some unsecure programs.
When did that happen? I'm sorry. When did that happen?
Last night. Last couple of days, the computer has been downloaded some highly infected viruses on it.
Okay.
Because your computer was shut down. After that, also it was downloading something. That's why we gave a call for you.
I'm not sure that entirely makes sense.
Okay. Now you're securely connected to a Windows main server, sir.
Okay.
Okay. You can see the mouse moving without a touch.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, so you're securely connected to a Windows main server now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure the computer from the hackers.
But there is a lot of background noise. It is hard to hear you.
Okay, now you can hear me?
Well, it didn't really change much, but I can hear you. That's a little better, maybe.
So nobody uses your computer apart from you, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you the instructions. You are securely connected. That means you have an email address, right, sir?
I do.
Did you edit to click to an unknown email on the computer? Did you click any unknown email which you receive on your email address?
I don't really remember doing that.
Actually, somewhere you have clicked or unknowingly clicked or something on the email. Look at the screen, sir.
Okay, I see that.
You can see the lots of running files. You can see it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Your computer, the certificates of the computer has been corrupted. Look at the screen. I'm going to show the certificate. You know very well, every computer has a certificate. Right?
I guess. I've heard the term. I don't really know
Yes.
what they are.
Yes, there is every computer has a certificate that is Microsoft Entity Code certificate. And I'm going to show the certificate which has been corrupted.
So what happens if a certificate's corrupted? How does that affect me?
Look, I'm going to show you the certificate. It has been Microsoft Word. Okay, your certificates, the corrupted is not good. Did you have an email address, right, sir?
I do.
Did you have an email address? I'm going to show you the email address which has been stopped. That is, his email address has been hacked. Let's check it out. You know the very well Google.
Are you going to show me some correct certificates, or?
Yeah, the certificates of your computer. There is a certificate which is not registered on your computer. One certificate has been not valid on a computer. We have to, first of all, we have to check the email address, sir. And you know Google is the main search engine in the world. You can find anything on Google.
Okay.
Do one thing, sir. Just type it to your email address. It's sir. Can you? It's iterate. Just hold on, sir. You can see the. Actually, you click somewhere. Just type it down, sir. Once more. It's iterate. It will become up. Iterate. Sir, just hold on. Just hold on. Here, is there any iterate?
Oh yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Do you want me to fix that?
Yes. Is it correct now?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, now click on check. My goodness. You can see this information and error. You can see this error or information. Do you have any idea what is this?
Well, it says something about pixel ratio.
Sorry?
It says something about a bad pixel ratio.
Yes, there's some hacking activities going on the computers. The hackers hacked your email address. Through the email address, they get inside a computer. And they are using your computer without your good knowledge.
Okay.
And they are doing some. You will look at the screen. I will show you once more. That is. One more thing I want to show you that, and that is.
That thing says it's checking HTML, isn't that what?
Sorry?
Isn't HTML what web pages are made out of?
Yes, sir.
What does that have to do with my email?
Sorry?
What does that have to do with my email?
It is a valid checker of the email address, and we found that your email address has been hacked, your email address. Okay, they are using your email address. If they do some illegal activities or any criminal activities, then your computer might be shut down at any point of time, and you may in trouble.
Well, that didn't really answer my question.
Sorry?
That didn't really answer my question.
Yes. What the question, sir?
What does HTML have to do with my email?
So that's the program which is to check the validity of your computer. Sorry, come again?
I didn't say anything.
First of all, sir, my name is Stephen Martin. I'm the Senior Customer Manager. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Kind of.
I'm also fine.
This feels kind of tedious. I don't know what you guys are doing.
First of all, sir, actually what exactly happens, your computer is totally got hacked from the last 2 days. And by using your IP address, these infected programs will give access to your computer. And I do believe that I'm speaking with a Jack, right?
To the what?
I'm speaking with Mr. Jack.
Yeah.
Look on the computer screen, sir. This computer is registered under your name.
Yes, that's true.
And apart from this computer, do you have any other computer, tablet, or smartphone?
I've got a smartphone, but it doesn't use the same internet connection. I just have it on the cellular connection. Because see, I'm kind of worried about internet hackers, so I generally have the when I'm not using it, the computer and my internet modem turned off.
The turn on the internet modem is not the solution, sir. Actually, they infect the IP address of the computer. Actually, they infect the main security of the computer, and that is the reason we given a call from our side.
But doesn't the computer have to be on for them to be able to do that?
No, sir, it's not depend upon that. Actually, what exactly happens, the main security and the software of the computer, which is totally got infected and hacked.
I guess.
And that is the reason we directly given a call from our side, so that you're able to receive you're going to go ahead and resolve the problem from your side.
I'm starting to think that maybe you've made a mistake.
Sorry?
I'm beginning to think that maybe you've made a mistake and that you're thinking you're talking to somebody else.
No, we are talking to you, sir. Actually, what happened, I do believe that, the Windows XP has got expired. The support is not is given from our site.
Yeah, I remember seeing that. I remember seeing that, but Windows. I've got some games that I like playing, and Windows does all right for me. So, but if you can't support that, I guess that's kind of my problem then.
So at a certain time of period, sir, every customer needs to activate the software and the security from their site. When you purchase this computer, at that point of the time, every customer needs to activate the security and the software. And as you didn't do that, that is the reason this unsecured program is get access to the computer.
Okay.
Let me show you that, sir. What is the age of this computer? Around 8 to 10 years?
It's not really that old. I guess the hardware was maybe bought like 5 or 6 years ago, and there's been a reinstallation of Windows fairly recently, like in the last year.
And every customer, sir, need to activate it, need to purchase the security from their site at a certain time of period. And as you didn't do that, because of that reason, this unsecured program is get activated to your computer by the hackers. What exactly you need to do, by taking a one-time nominal registration charge, you need to activate the security from your end, so that the computer is going to be totally secure and safe for the entire life.
I still think you got the wrong guy here.
Sorry?
I still think you have the wrong guy. I think the errors, the indication that you've got that I was being hacked was actually for somebody else. I see no indication. You've shown me nothing that indicates that my computer's been hacked, or even that you know anything about this computer.
Look at here, sir.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
And because of that reason, we are receiving these errors and the warning reports from your computer.
But I thought you said it was because I was hacked.
Yes. And these are not the hackers that we're going to point on the computer screen and you're going to see that these are the infected hackers.
But, okay.
Look on your computer.
The fact that Windows XP support has ended doesn't mean I'm hacked, does it?
Look on your computer screen, sir. csrss.exe. Do you have any idea what is the meaning of that?
That's the client-server runtime subsystem.
Mm-hmm. It means that you're a technician, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure who you are.
No, I'm speaking about you, sir. You're the technician.
No, I know the CRSS thing because 10 years ago I got a CSRSS virus. Then there would be multiple ones of those in this list.
Mm-hmm.
But if there's just one, it's the one that you need for your computer to operate. That's what my technician told me.
Now,
is that not right?
Now, let me pull up the page on the computer so that you're able to check from your side. Look on your computer screen.
I'm watching.
Now just write down the name over there. Just read out from your side. Here. Look on the computer screen, sir.
Why don't we go in and look at it?
Highlight the line in a blue color.
Yeah, look at number 2.
Sorry?
Look at number 2 on the list. So it says if that CSRSS is in your Windows system directory, then that one's, the Windows one, the one that you have to have.
But these are not these files. The CSR is provided to the critical function of the operating system. It terminates the result as a blue screen depth being displayed.
Okay.
And I do believe that you know what is the meaning of blue screen of depth.
Yeah, if you try to terminate that, and it's the legitimate one, it's the one that that Windows needs, you can cause problems. Like if you stop your engine when you're heading down the interstate, that's going to cause you problems.
But sir, because of that, we are receiving these error reports. And you already seen that the Windows XP support has ended. You need to reactivate it from your side. Otherwise, we have to disconnect the computer from our end.
I'm not convinced, I guess.
Sorry?
Can you give me like my product key or something, so that I know we're really talking about this computer and that you've not just made some sort of mistake?
Yes, we need to activate it from our side, sir. For that reason, you have to go ahead and activate it.
Can you tell me what my product key is?
Well, sir, the technical team is going to provide it from their side.
You're not the technical team?
Sorry?
You're not the technical team?
Well, sir, we are here to show you all of the infected programs, and after that, our state technical department is going to provide all the security from their side.
I'm asking you to identify that the reports you're getting are from my computer. So do you have any specific information about my computer that you can tell me instead of just looking up now? Or you're just cold calling, aren't you? You're just dialing random numbers on the bet that that person has a Windows computer.
Okay, we're going to give you a call random numbers, and we know that you have a Windows XP, right? I'm a god.
It'd be pretty good odds. It'd be pretty good odds.
Sorry?
So tell me something about my computer that you're not gonna like look up right now, that I can verify that you've actually gotten information on your secure server from my computer. Can you do that?
And what should we have to verify?
Like if you were to tell me my product key, that would confirm to me that you really have some sort of connection to my computer.
Your Windows is got expired, and you want to ask me the product key.
It'll still have a product key.
Prove that. Sorry?
It'll still have a product key.
Can you come again?
My computer will still have a product key, even though Windows XP support has expired.
Yes, it shows the Windows XP product key to activate it.
So why don't you tell me what that is? Because
I
I know what that is, and that will tell me that you know that it's my computer that's been reporting this errors to you, and that you're just not randomly dialing numbers.
Who says you that? Who says you that the product key is always same?
Pardon?
Who says you that the Windows XP has only one product key?
Well, there's only one product key stuck on the sticker.
Who shows you that, sir? When you purchase this operating system, what product key is given to you? But when you reactivate or if you change that to the...
A system builder built this for me. A guy that lives near me put this computer together, bought a copy of Windows for me, and activated it. And he stuck the sticker right on the outside.
And we told you that we have to reactivate it by giving a different product key. The product key is not always the same.
So you can't tell me anything specifically about my computer that would tell me that you know about this computer.
Okay, you want to say that we give you a call randomly and tell you that your computer got hacked?
It kind of seems like what you're doing.
You think that we are the person of God, right? We know that you have a Windows computer. I'd actually give a call, and I know that you have a Windows XP. I know that your computer got infected. That is the reason I saw you infected programs. You want to say that, right?
I want you to provide evidence for that. Not just say it. You're saying it already.
And what type of evidence you want?
If you told me the product key of my computer, that would be good evidence that you're getting information from my computer and not just randomly dialing people hoping that they have Windows.
On that case, wait for the half an hour. When the computer got disconnected from the main server, it's going to give you the evidence, okay? We are not here to give a call and prove you that we are from Microsoft Windows.
Well, you made that claim.
Sorry?
You made that claim. I'm just asking to back up what you're saying.
You want evidence, that is the reason I tell you that. Go ahead, hang up the call, wait for the half an hour, and after that you're able to see that we need to disconnect the computer. The computer is shortly going to be blue screen, the blue screen of that, and after that you understand, and that is going to give you the evidence, okay, that to whom you are speaking.
Well, a startup password.
That's good evidence for you.
A startup password will show up, but not blue screen.
Which sorts of password?
Huh?
Which sorts of password you're talking about? It's going to show you the WhatsApp password.
You guys set a startup password on this machine when you first came into it. Hello. Well, that made you shrivel right up, didn't it?